friends, welcome to Reliant Zone. Today's topic is that first I will teach you then how to open the bank account at Fino Payment Bank. First of all, you just click your user ID and then go to continue, click continue, and the OTP will be come. And if you are before login, that the OTP will not come, just give the password and click on login. Just give the password and click on login. Then automatically it will you will go inside your ID, and first you see your balance. Is there any balance? You must have the available balance in your ID. Otherwise you may have to do it again repeatedly. Then just check it here. Balance, yes, balance is available. Then click the customer mobile number. Here give the customer mobile number. Then click on search option. Wait, just follow it, and as I am teaching you, just you do it in this way. 100% you can open the account at the Fino Payment Bank. Then you just I have click on search. Then after click on search, you will get below an option, this open account option. Here you see here is an open account option. Just click it here. The various type of account you will get it here. Just click, I shall click and Shoop saving account in the last one I will select and click on it. Then what it will come, just wait a little, just you click it at here. You can also open the CSP of Fino Payment Bank through us also. Then you just you see here, you just select the ATM type, the ATM which are available in your hand. Just see that the ATM are belonging the Platinum Rupee or Classics Rupee. No, so if my card is Platinum Rupee, so I shall select here Platinum Rupee. And if you do any type of mistake here by selecting it, you won't be able to open the account. It will create some problem while opening the account. Just I shall check that Rupee, my card is Rupee, then I shall select the Rupee. And then you see other card setting, you can click yes or no as your wish. I shall click no. Then promo code I shall use no, NNR. Then eKYC, click on eKYC. And after clicking the eKYC, this page will open. Here you give the Aadhaar card of your customer. Just put the Aadhaar card of your customer here. After clicking the putting the Aadhaar card, just see here there is a below one of the thumb picture is there. Just click on it, the thumb picture, and when the device of your mantra or morpho or evaluate, it will blow a light, and just keep the finger over it. I have just keep the finger over it of the customer's finger. There should customer detail will come in this way. And just my customer is married, so I shall select the married. And if you select the single, the nominee won't be give the wife or husband. Remember that. Then I say married. Then email ID, you give the customer mobile email ID. If the customer mobile ID is not available, you can give your email ID also. Here I shall give the customer mother name, and the below I shall go and see here is I shall select the housewife as your customer, what he or she does. Just select that this, and here I shall give the uneducated. My customer is uneducated. You can give the educated or anything as per the customer. So now I shall select the same as Aadhaar card address. Then I shall click on next. Here again I shall give the customer finger. And remember one thing, if one finger is not working, then kindly change the finger of your customer and put it at your device. Okay, and then just I shall do it. See, this finger is not working, so I shall change the finger and put another finger of the customer. And you give, if you give the same finger once more, you may asked for do the same work by tomorrow. You won't be able to do it at your present time. No. So just I shall click it again. By changing the finger, I shall put it here, and then I shall click on next or submit option. Or after clicking the submit option, what it will come, you see, just if your customer had a PAN card, you just give the PAN number below, and if your customer doesn't have the PAN number, then you just click on form 60 and give some detail at form 60. And my customer had a PAN card, so I shall give the PAN number here. After putting the PAN number, if you are interested to purchase or do a setup anything through us, kindly visit the email which I have given below. Then you just click it here. Then I shall click and capture here the picture of the PAN card. Your PAN card, it may be at your mobile also, at your computer also. Just click the picture of it from anywhere. You can just, if you you have to capture the picture. So I am going to capture the picture of the customer's PAN card. Then I shall crop it here. And not every mobile does not ask for the crop, remember. And if your mobile is asked for the crop, then crop it, and then click on next or submit option. And here is you give the customer is political or not. I shall give no. Then I shall click on FATCA, FSCTA. Then I am tax residential of India, I am taxpayer of India. I shall just select it this, and I agree. I click on I agree. Then here I shall go below. Here you see it is asking for the nominee name. Here I shall give the name of the nominee, and I shall have to give also that the relationship with the nominee. If remember, I am saying that if you select the single at a status, here the husband or wife may not come. So his son, she has given this customer had given the nominee to her son. So I shall select the date of birth of the son here. Just I shall select the relationship is son. Then I shall take the same address as nominee. The smart, I shall leave it as before. Then I shall give the how many member are earning it. I shall give 2. You can give 2, 1, 3 according to you only. And below the annual income, I shall give the 1,50,000. You just give the customer annual income according to it, which they may not face problem under the income tax department. Then I shall give your InstaKit number. The packet which you had, a green color packet, it's called a InstaKit. It's a InstaKit. You just give this number here. Wait, I am just uploading the number. Just wait a little. See, I am giving the InstaKit number. Then I shall give the debit card pin, debit card number. Here is black color one is debit card. Just type the debit card number. After giving the debit card number, debit card kit number, then the amount will be deducted from my account is 450. Just I shall click it here. Then it will come in this way. You just have to provide the customers all complete 10 hands, 10 fingers. Your little finger to thumb and right hand from little finger to thumb. All the 10 finger, if you have to just point at the head of your finger, and the mantra device will be blow the light, and then only you have to keep the finger in this way. You have to complete the 10 finger, and after completing the 10 finger, below you can see there will be a green color, and then you have to select the right hand, then do the same. Here only you have to touch by your hand or by your finger, then only the light will be blow at your mantra device. Then it is right hand also same process. Just you have to touch the top of the finger, nail, then the blow will be come out, and then it will be captured. I shall select this. I am the tax engineer PR of India, etc. I shall select it here, and then check it once. Then it is the final round. Here the finger will come, and you have to touch it here again and again. If it provide you the network problem, don't worry. Just touching the same place, the finger place again and again, and then the OTP will come at your registered mobile number which the customer has provided to you. The customer mobile number, the customer mobile number, you will receive the OTP, and you have to put the same OTP at your mobile. Here I say I am going to put the OTP of my customer here. After giving the OTP, it will come here in this way. Here you will get the all your complete detail of the customer name, account number, account number, customer ID, IFSC code, everything you will get it here. And if you want to give the passbook of the to the customer, you can also give this customer, and just follow this link, and then if you just follow this link w.reliancezone.co.in, just click it here, and then just after clicking it here, you just go to all product. Then just you see there are various type of product. I shall click at Fino Payment Bank. After clicking it here, and you will get here below this is a hard copy. You just click on a hard copy, or you can also download the master copy from which you can edit and give to your customer. Just click, you have to click it here and download. It may require only 10 rupees, and you can use it several times again and again. Here the passbook hard copy will be rupees 10. Just see its inside. Its inside will be like this. Its back side will be like this. Its inside will be like this, and its back side will be like this, and this is the front side. Then in this way you can order the passbook. And if you are interested, you can also call me, also WhatsApp me, also from anywhere, any part of India you can order. We used to deliver the same product to the customer through e-commerce, like e-com and delivery, or post office, which is good for your place. So in this way you can just open the account of your customer, and I hope this video is very meaningful to you. And before clicking finish option, just take the screenshot or take the picture of it. Thank you.